Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Yizocom. There's a clip that I uploaded just now where Umacele is ready to welcome wife number 5 and she said they must came in. Ngifuna ukubatshela izindaba zabo. What is indaba kanti? Because she don't know anything about wife number 5. Only Mselegu who knows. But this episode will be seen today. Wife number 5 said her heart is about to jump out of her chest. And she smiled. That means she's happy to be a member of Kwamseleko. And wife number 5, she's Sne's new mother. Remember guys, the 5th wife, she said she's drinking but occasionally. And on other side, there is Usne who drinks even nobody is allowed to drink Kwamseleko. And Umseleko said, we've been waiting for wife number 5 for so long. That means he's happy to introduce number 5 Kwamseleko. There's Umnakwabo Mangwabe. When she said there is no story that said you are leaving, the response of Mangwabe left Makhumalo very shocked and amazed. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it. Bye.